Hey guys, today's episode starts with a situation that proves just how unpredictable the road can be. Sometimes no matter how prepared you are, things just don't go as planned. So take a look and as always, ride safe.
If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough. When you're getting knocked down, you gotta get. I ain't, but I know enough.
In this clip, the rider hits a massive spill stretching right across the bend and loses control almost instantly. The speed only made it harder for him to react in time, but fortunately he's okay.
Really? Get on your bike. We'll go.
Just a quick reminder of why it's so important to stay focused on the road, especially when dealing with heavy traffic like this. It only takes a second for things to go wrong.
What are you doing? That's why you gotta keep up. That, oh man.
This rider switches lane without signaling or even checking her mirrors. It's a completely uncontrolled move, and in this case a lot of blame definitely falls on the rider.
Arkadan çarptın, kusurlusun yani şimdi. Baksana plaka ne hale gelmiş.
Ya plaka sende bir şey olmasın da plakayı yaptırırız, o bir şey değil. Ya sende bir şey olmasın.
Obviously not.
I have a lot of respect for bikers on the road.
Obviously.
No. I need you to calm down. I need need you to calm down. You parked way too close to this car. This is not my car.
It's all on video.
It was not. That was not fair. I was in the front. Sir. There's a camera watching you right here at the bakery. There's a camera watching you. There's a camera watching you.
Unfortunately, this rider never explained when he failed to notice the car braking ahead. By the time he actually started braking, it was already too late.
Oh, don't got to do it.
This is the end. Hold your breath and count.
Yo! You realize you cut across 2 lanes, right?
Sorry about that, I never realized because I was gonna I'm not really used to the place. Sorry about that, man.
I get that. There's a light right here, you could have turned in that though. You could have caused me to T-bone you, dude.
Sorry about
Don't
that.
cross 2 lanes, come on. Alright?
Alright, sorry about that.
Where the f are you going?
Watch this car on the right. This idiot cuts across 3 lanes directly into the safety gap I created. I've seen it coming and I slowed down. That's why preventive riding is important, because of stupid drivers like this one. I stopped to say something, but she completely ignores me. She does it again. Bad positioning, she just drifted into my lane like I wasn't there. She simply didn't care. Here I lost my cool a little bit. I took this